Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot if your computer is running slow, if apps are freezing, if everything's taking forever to open up, the internet is running slow, or your computer is just starting slowly. So I'm going to be showing you how to use Task Manager. It's a built-in Windows tool for troubleshooting. And so there are several ways to get to Task Manager, but I like the easiest one, which is right click on the toolbar, and then you click on Task Manager, and that's going to bring up this dashboard. And this is pretty much everything that's going on with your computer. As long as everything stays under 100%, your computer is acting pretty normally. But as you can see, this is the CPU. So this is what we have a lot of things going on right now, just for this example. So if you have too many things going on, if this percentage goes higher than 90%, then you want to just right click and then end the task. I'm not going to end OBS because that's recording the video, but we can end like let's say here, we can end like WhatsApp. Okay, they're all, but I'm not, this is just for demonstration purposes because I'll have to like really. So here's one, we can end the task, and then you can see how the percentages is going to start dropping as we do that. And then now the memory, this is the short-term memory, and so it pretty much functions the same way. As you can see, the Google Chrome is taking up the most memory because I have a lot of tabs open up. And then we see that the CapCut is taking up a lot of short memory, so we ended those tasks as well. And then the disk, this is the hard drive. This is where all the apps are stored. So if your disk is at 100%, that's definitely going to cause everything to open up slowly because the hard drive is full. Network, that's for active download. So like when you're downloading on the internet and it might be taking a long time, you can open up Task Manager and see what's going on. If there's multiple things being downloaded at the same time, you could just right click and then end the task, and then that's going to free up more performance for the computer. And so over here in the left panel, we have the performance tab, and that's just pretty much a real-time view of everything that's going on with the computer. We also have the startup apps. The startup apps can also affect the performance of your computer. And so I like to keep a lot of things disabled because I don't need to have everything just starting up at once, and I'll just start them up as I need them. And so this is how Task Manager is a really great tool to use that you can just quickly go to by right clicking the taskbar, and then you'll see the Task Manager right there, and then you can just understand why your computer might be running slow, or the apps are freezing, or different apps are taking forever to open up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.